The recent mugshot of Senator Jinggoy Estrada, who is currently detained for plunder charges, circulated online. However, the public questioned why the senator was not wearing the detainee shirt properly, as it was only laid on top of his body. Ryan Lisigas gets up to speed as the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG, maintains there is no special treatment given to the detained senator.
Former Public Works and Highways Secretary Manuel Bonoan failed to attend the scheduled hearing at the Sandigan Bayan today. It's due to his medical condition, which remains unstable. The court was also expected to resolve his request for hospital arrest. According to CIDG National Capital Region Chief Police Colonel John Giagi, Bonoan was not given medical clearance to travel from the hospital to the Sandigan Bayan.
Kung makikita nyo, si Senator Jinggoy nandun, but Secretary Bonoan is not there because of medical reasons. Okay? We already coordinated with the 5th Division na hindi siya makakaapir.
In addition to hypertension, the accused is also reportedly suffering from a heart condition that further worsened his health status.
Ano yata, barado yung ano niya, yung sa ano ng puso niya, and then yung mataas pa rin yung BP.
Meanwhile, the CIDG maintained that no special treatment was given to Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Giagi stated this after the circulation of mugshots showing the senator not wearing a detainee shirt. According to Giagi, no detainee shirt available fit the senator.
It just so happened that due to urgency of time, tsaka yung situation warrants na kailangan na naming dalhin sa Sandigan Bayan dahil yung time constraint, kailangan nang iharap sa dalhin na doon.
The CIDG also insisted that all procedures were strictly followed.
Di sana hindi namin ipinatong. Hindi na namin pinasuot if there is a special consideration for the senator. But no, ipinatong pa rin namin para makita na talagang he had undergone the procedure.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada and former Secretary Bonoan are both facing graft and plunder charges in connection with the allegedly anomalous government flood control projects. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.